Alright, so the next client called us. He needs a tire change. He tried to do it himself in his house, and he got the bolts off, but he can't get the tire off because it's stuck. And again, he needs a professional to take care of business, and that's why I'm here for. Good workout. Who does this? It's ridiculous. Amateur lift. Oh, that's bad. Right in the rubber. Right in the plastic. Right in the plastic. Catch. The handbrake's off. The jack is in the bad spot. I made an accident too. I wonder how come. Huh? Hey buddy, how you doing? Good stuff, good stuff. Okay, I just wanted to make sure that you're here when I do the tire change. Alright, that's not the best place to put a jack. I assume that this is the first time you do a tire change?
Yeah, probably. Thanks, man. So, can you show me where I'm supposed to put it?
Well, then you won't call me again. What's the point?
So, it's here.
I'm just joking. I'll show you.
Alright.
You put it where I put it.
Okay.
That's the professional way to do things. You don't need both of the tires. You just need one tire to be lifted up off the ground.
That's right, that's right.
You don't need my professional jack. But if you ever want to be professional like myself, you can have one.
Alright.
All right. Same thing with the wrench. All right. This is the problem, is that this is stuck, right?
Yeah.
So we agreed on $70 cash, right?
Right.
Problem solved. Did you like that? You saw that? Was that awesome or what? The car for me, please, because what happens is, you see the car needs to be lifted even more. What a lot of amateurs do, they don't put the handbrakes on.
Okay.
So what happens is, if you lifted it more at this point, the car is going to shift down.
I see.
So the $70 is a good investment, I'll tell you that. The tutorial is free, at no cost to you. And you got a good company. Me. I'll make sure to take off, you know what, I'll even take off the handbrakes for you so you won't forget about it. Okay, that's it, we're good.
Thank you, Arthurs, for the amazing service and the fast, reliable service. Everything was done under 20 seconds. Everything was great. Thanks for the help again. It's reliable and affordable, and it was a premium service. Most places charge a lot more. So there's towing, but also there's better way towing.
Yes, thank you.